Hello everyone, myself Shailesh Jingre. I was completed my PG course MSc during the academic year 2017 to 2019. I express my deep sense of gratitude and sincerely thanks to Dr. Smita Acharya Ma'am, Professor, Department of Physics for his valuable guidance in the development of this work. So today I present my poster on understanding dielectric phase transition in LiFeU3 as a multifunctional semiconductor. Firstly, why LiFeU3? Because in recent year LiFeU3 has received much attention because of its extensive application in solid oxide fuel cells, sensors, magneto-optics and electrode materials. AFO with a typical perovskite structure has many properties such as magnetic, dielectric and piezoelectric. LiFeU3 is a lead-free AbO3 type perovskite material which exists in two different phases, orthorhombic and rhombohedral. The orthorhombic AFO retains collinear ferromagnetic structure with nil temperature in the range 210 to 250 Kelvin. The preparation of multiferric properties of orthorhombic AFO, bulk particle and thin film have been reported by several researchers. However, there are no experimental reports on the preparation and physicochemical properties of rhombohedral AFO particles. Dielectric behavior of system is not studied systematically. There are lots of confusion about its dielectric behavior and phase transition. This generates curiosity to development this system and study its frequency and temperature dependent dielectric behavior. Okay, so I use four different method. So here I use four different method to preparation of LiFeU3 material. First, sol-gel synthesis, microwave sintering synthesis, co-precipitation synthesis, hydrothermal synthesis. Among all these methods, microwave sintering synthesis method is useful because it requires less heat energy and less time required for sintering. There are three characterization techniques I employed during the present work. So these are the method how to prepare this sample of AlF3 material. Okay, next we move characterization techniques. So here I use three characterization techniques are employed during the present work. X-ray powder diffraction, UV visible spectroscopy, dielectric measurement using LCR meter. In the graph 1, XRD pattern of pure AlF3 ceramic synthesized by microwave sintering process. All the peaks are well matched. All the peaks are well matched with the JCPDS file number 842183. The XRD pattern of pure LiFeU3 at room temperature confines the orthorhombic rhombohedral phase structure having space group PNA21. Okay, in the next graph, here the graph shows the value of tan delta denotes the dissipation energy in dielectric system versus frequency. Here, okay, they as frequency is increases, dielectric loss increases firstly and then suddenly decreases. This is due to the motion of charge carriers lag behind the applied electric field. Okay, so then in the third graph, there are many graphs here showing here. The temperature dependence of dielectric constant shows two prominent peaks. Here, two prominent peaks here. As you see here, okay. As you see here, here, as you see here and here. Okay, The temperature dependence of dielectric constant shows the two predominant peaks. One is at 250 degree centigrade and other is at 475 degree centigrade at different frequency. The anomaly at near about 250 degree centigrade is may be due to the interfacial polarization due to the change deposition on the grain boundaries of the material. And in the second anomaly at 475 degree is may be due to antiferromagnetic ordering of LFP3. It means that the transition at 475 degree here transition at 475 degree is due to the change in the antiferromagnetic ordering of Fe3 positive to paramagnetic ordering. Hence, the magnetic moment of Fe3 positive changes, it affects the polarization. Electron exchange between Fe3 positive and Fe2 plus with temperature increases at particular frequency of electric field, which is responsible for higher electronic polarization at higher frequency. Okay, then further the origin of dielectric anomaly with a phase transition is understood as orthorhombic phase with lattice parameter a equal to 4 point a equal to here a equal to 4.9806 Armstrong, B equal to 8.5466 Armstrong, and C equal to 9.2345 Armstrong, and rhomboidal phase transition has A equal to B equal to 4.909 Armstrong and C equal to 13.343 Armstrong. There is sudden rise in C parameter, okay, with structural transition induce polarized phase. Also, qualitative understanding of correlation between photodegradation ability here in this graph here. Also, qualitative understanding of the correlation between photodegradation ability and dielectric behavior of AFO was established. The potential of AlFeO3 is efficient photocatalyst and dielectric material is investigated in the present study. Okay, so thank you very much for the presenting this poster competition. So here we conclude that the temperature dependence of dielectric constant here we see the measure conclude of this poster is that the temperature dependent dielectric constant shows major peak near 450 to 475 degrees centigrade due to coupling of antiferromagnetic order with the polarization suggested magnetically driven polarization in LFO3. So thank you very much for the poster. This is the partial part of work and we are interested to develop structure in future. Thank you very much.